Right, since the last update of Photoshop, which is version 27, about Photoshop, yeah, 27, some people may have noticed a weird occurrence. If you're saving as JPEGs, don't know quite when it happens, but for instance, a lot of mine have got layers. A lot of my, like most people in Photoshop, you've got layers to your image, and you're going to save it as a JPEG. And normally I do the old Control E to what I always thought was flattening, but it's not doing a full-on flatten, to take these two layers down to one, Control E, and then you might go save as or save copy as, and you choose. Now in PSDs and TIFFs and stuff, you expect to see the layers tick box. One place you don't expect to see it is JPEG, because JPEG doesn't have layers. It doesn't make any difference, so you can ignore it. In the past I've just taken the tick out, but I figured out something that I didn't realize before. Let's right click on that one layer you've got, that background layer. Down here you got flatten. Apparently there's sort of information about layers being held in the back of here somewhere, even though JPEGs don't save layers. Now when I go save as or save copy as JPEG, the tick box is gone. So it seems if that's a nuisance, that's the way to deal with it. It's not really an issue as such, because as soon as you hit save, it still saves it as a JPEG with no layers, because it just can't save layers. The other way is to use export rather than save as. I just always use save as. But if you just want to make sure that they're dead flat images and there's absolutely nothing hidden in there, right click on it and go flatten. So yeah, just a small weird note of something I noticed in Photoshop. It's like it wasn't until today that I realized that you can right click on this up here and reset a specific tool, in this case the crop tool. Cool. Anyway, that was it.